watermelon jelly in the superb test kitchen. Rebel canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. We all can use a little bit more of the old ways these days.
Hi everybody, my name is Mark Laughlin and I want to welcome everybody to the Superb Industries Test Lab, where we're doing some different batches of jellies and other products today and testing out our lids with the help of Rebel Canning.
So today we're making watermelon jelly. We've split the watermelon and we're cutting it into chunks so we can puree it better. I am so excited that Julie is here helping me today. She is actually teaching me this recipe. I've never made watermelon jelly before, and I'm so excited to have someone that has done it helping today. We wanted to make sure that we had enough to do several test batches, and so we have 2 very large watermelons that we have to cut up and get run through the food processor blender. We use the Ninja blender actually to get these into a really nice puree. Sorry about the background. Lots of factory noise in the background, so this is going to be a lot of voiceover in this video. And we are just getting all of that good juice out. Once we have put the juice through a strainer to remove all the pulp, we're going to go ahead and put that into a pan. Save that pulp. We can use it to make fruit leather. We can use it for another recipe that we have found. But we're going to take that pulp. I'm going to take the pulp out so we're left with just the juice, and we're going to cook the juice down for 20 minutes to really concentrate the flavors in that juice. It's going to make for a much better jelly. So we tried a low sugar version and a regular pectin version, and so you're going to see a couple different ways we're doing this. So you're going to take 4 cups of your watermelon juice and you're going to simmer it for 20 minutes to concentrate it down a little bit. We're going to start with 4 cups of sugar. We didn't use the low sugar pectin, so we may add another 3. We'll see how it goes here. So we shouldn't have added the sugar to begin with, and we should have added a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and add the other 4 cups of sugar and our pectin. So the total is 8 cups of sugar because we're not using the low sugar pectin. If you want to use low sugar, use 4. Good with the last drop. And we're going to bring this back to a rolling boil. And you want 1 package of pectin. Let me grab that. 1 package of pectin is equal to 8 tablespoons of powdered pectin. Pectin helps to set the jelly up. It's made from apples, green apples actually. And we did batches with both lemon juice and lime juice. I preferred the lime juice. It was 1/4 cup. We add it at the end.
All right, so this is a rolling boil. When he's stirring this, it does not stop boiling. That is the definition of a rolling boil. A lot of people's jelly fail because they don't understand what a rolling boil is. Okay, now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of lemon or lime juice. We're doing lime today. And 1 to 2 minutes at a rolling boil.
Isn't that crazy? We're so used to phones. I'm looking at your phone to see how it's stirring, and when I can just look in the pot.
I haven't really got some good pictures.
Non-rebel canning, superb canning, XYZ, A, B, and C.
Once that has come to a rolling boil for 2 full minutes again with the pectin, go ahead and jar up your jelly.
This one over here. That way. The jars are too close there. That's all right. That's the way we weren't anticipating the tilt. And get it in the jars. That one would be a little fuller. Right up to the top there, the head space. Thank you. Do you want one of each batch?
Yes.
And there, yeah, so you should go ahead and just set it down. Go get some of yours so that
They're right
you
there.
guys can.
Oh, big jars. Yeah, those are
Okay.
his.
Well,
Yeah.
we got to have some to test too, though. Or are we making?
We'll get that in a different bag.
Oh, okay.
No, I mean, we want to try the different, we're going to do one with pulp too. Okay, go ahead. So there'll
Want
be
a
different
non-pulp
type.
one?
Yeah, there'll be different types of jelly too.
Sound like a sissy.
Okay.
Not rebel. I like to think I am.
I need another small jar. Go ahead and just pour that right in there. That's,
So these are all crude.
yes.
So I can use 2 of, you know what? I'm going to use 2 of the little.
Are you wiping those with vinegar?
I'm wiping them with vinegar so we can get our lids on.
So I'm going to get a couple of the little ones myself. I know where the stash is.
Okay. All right. There. One more. All right. So. All right. So then I just need.
What do you have? Oh, you went. Oh, just leave it at 28. I mean, you know, unless it needs to go down. Okay.
Is that what we had last time?
Yeah. And then.
How tight are you putting those lids on, Mom?
Finger tight.
So here.
Once it starts to spin,
Here's mine.
I need one more ring.
This is going to be mine.
Okay. And then I need a wide mouth lid and ring.
Okay, so
The
are we going to
rings?
use our test batch for this, Mark? Or are we going to do that first?
Okay. All right, these are all ready to go into the water bath.
So this was a 5-minute water bath rolling boil. So we are doing this right here in the Superb test kitchen where they test their lids.
Stick that. Two more. Ooh, ha. Well, Ooh.
So we actually did 5 batches in 2 days of this beautiful, beautiful watermelon jelly. Love the taste. Definitely something I'm going to make again. And I'm definitely going to use the low sugar pectin recipe with the lime juice. So use the code RebelCanners10 to save 10% on the Superb website for jars and lids.